How to apply filter to any image in Canva application. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add filter to any image in your Canva application in Windows 11. So in order to do this, all you need to do is simply follow the easy steps listed out in this video, and the first thing that you will need to do is open the Canva application. So once you have opened your Canva application, you can either create a new project, or there also is a possibility that you already have a project running. So simply open the running project, or in my case I will be creating a new one. So in order to create a new project, simply click onto this plus icon at the top left corner, and from here choose any project. So let me say I will be going with this presentation option right here. So simply click onto the project type, and you will be landed onto the canvas of your Canva project. So from here, let me add any image on which we will be applying filters. So let me add any image, like let's say this particular image right here, and let me just stretch this image a bit so that it is easier to see all of the effects which are being applied into this particular image right here. So in order to add filters or effects into this particular image, you need to click onto this, and from here you can see a number of options at the top, and the first option or the leftmost option you will see is the edit button right here. So simply click onto this edit button, and it will open a new tab which is called the image editor. And do make sure that some of the filters or features that might be available for me is due to my Canva Pro or Canva Premium membership. In case you want to access the features, you can get your Canva Pro membership. So nevertheless, in order to add the filters, you can scroll down from this section, and here you can see this filters section right here. So in order to explore all of the filters, you can click onto this see all option, and from here you can choose the filter that you want to add. So here are some filters which are sorted or grouped according to their classification. Like these are some natural filters, so you can click on to each of them in order to see or look out for the preview. So for example, you can see this particular filter right here, which is called the Sangri filter. And let's say you like this, but you want its intensity to be a little low. So in order to adjust the intensity so that the picture looks more natural, you can use this particular slider right here. And you can drag it towards the left hand side to decrease the intensity or increase the intensity. And somewhere at any point you will find the perfect blend between the filter and the photograph, and you can set it or leave it right there. Also, there are some other filters like the cool filters, are which affect the coolness of a photo and give it a cooler effect. Also, there are some soft filters which apply a softer tone to your overall image. There are some vintage filter which makes the image look like a vintage capture. There are some mono filters which will give it a grayscale kind of look, and you can choose any of the filters that you like. Also, there are some color pop filters as well, which are used to pop or highlight the colors in any particular image. So once you have selected the filter, you can simply close this tab using this X button, and then you can use this particular image in your design as you want. So that's how easily you can add a filter in any image in your Canva application. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you. If you have any suggestions or questions to ask, do ask us in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.